Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating Samsung Washer 9C8 error code, you're in the right place. This error, which is common in 2025 models, typically signals an issue with the water supply or pressure in your machine. Don't panic. We'll break it down step by step so you can get your washer up and running again quickly. First, let's talk about what the 9C8 error means. In Samsung washers, this code usually indicates that the appliance isn't getting enough water or that there's a problem with the water inlet system. It could pop up if your washer thinks the water level is too low or if there's a blockage somewhere. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a clogged inlet filter, low water pressure from your home's plumbing, a kinked or frozen water hose, or even a faulty water inlet valve. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch in the washer's sensors, especially after a power outage or heavy use. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by unplugging your washer from the power source and turning off the water supply for safety. Next, check the inlet hoses at the back of the machine. Make sure they're not bent or blocked. If they look good, inspect and clean the inlet filter. You can usually find this inside the water inlet valve. Just remove it, rinse it under running water, and put it back. If that doesn't work, reset your washer by holding the power button for about 5 seconds or running a quick diagnostic cycle. For more persistent issues, test your home's water pressure. It should be at least 20 to 120 psi. If everything seems fine but the error persists, you might need to call a professional to check the water valve or sensors. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle the 9C8 error and get your laundry day back on track. Remember, always prioritize safety and consult your washer's manual for model-specific advice. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.